So this is the beginning of the timing. So basically, when you apply, as soon as you apply the color, the gases of the ammonia, they start activating, and they start doing this. So basically, all the color on all the oils, he bring all the way up. So right here we have the colors we're talking about in the first 5 minutes. So the gases right now, whatever they are doing in the hair, they're opening the cuticle to start extracting color molecules. So now, the stronger it is, the peroxide, the more it's gonna extract molecules. molecules. So we need to be careful what volume do we use of peroxide, because the higher the peroxide we use, the more overlapping keratin is extracting from your hair. So basically, you're leaving your hair with no keratin and with a lot of emptiness out there. First 5 minutes that you put the color on the hair, this is what happened. All the gases from the ammonia and the peroxide are activating together, so they start fuming all over the hair. So once the cuticle is open, all the gases that are here and all the diffusing agent, they start removing all the pigment for the cuticle. So the more peroxide you have out there, the stronger the formulation of peroxide, the more overlapping keratin is gonna be extracting from your hair. So it's not extracting color; it's extracting all the keratin, and it's extracting the molecules of your color. So basically, they do them both together. Be really careful when you're using a high peroxide, because as I'm saying, the more keratin that you extract from the hair, the more dry and the more brassy it will look. 15 to 20 minutes, all the color, all the pigment is gonna be removed, and in another 15-20 minutes, the color is gonna be deposited. So that's exactly 45 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes that the companies recommend for the color to be fully penetrated in the hair. So let's go to the next graphic. So in this graphic, whatever we have is the H2O2, which means the peroxide, the level, the undertone, and the amount of pigment. So basically, 10 volume on the level 6, we have the undertone, the red, and yellow, and we have only 50% of pigment. In 20 volume on the level 7, we have the undertone, red, yellow, and red, and there is only 40% of pigment. 30 volume, A level, red, yellow equals 30% of pigments. 40 volume, level 9, we have the undertone, that's yellow, and red, and only 20% of pigment. So high lifts have 5 to 10% pigment. There is not enough pigment to support or cancel or enhance the remaining undertone on a level 9, 8, or 7. So basically, whatever you need to do is adding an additive to help the color concentration to cancel the undertones. Like for example, let's go with the level 9. So you have a client that her natural level is a level 5 and she wanna go to a level 9 or 10, and she don't like the red-orange undertone. So this is basically a level 9. Now this is the undertone on the level 9. We're talking about yellow, and red. We're talking about 10, 5, and 5%. This equals 20%. So now a high lift, we're talking about a 12.1. That's a level 12 with ash tones. So the formulation in here, whatever the formula it is, we have 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow over 5% pigment, plus 0.1. We're talking about blue, green. So let's go to the equation. So this is the equation. High lifts 12.1 equals 1/3 red, blue, and yellow plus blue, green. So now we have the level 9. This is the undertone. Now let's start the equation, see what we come out with. Okay, so we have yellow, and red, right? So now we're gonna be adding the 1/3 of red, blue, and yellow. Let's go here. Red, blue, and yellow. So red and yellow makes orange. Yellow and blue makes green. Red and yellow makes orange. Now we're gonna be adding the additives on it. So let's do blue, green. So now that we have this, we have orange, green, and orange, and we add in the undertone that means blue-green. We add it right here. So now let's do this the same that we did last time. Let's do another equation. So basically, you mix orange with blue, whatever you're gonna get a neutral. Why a neutral? Because orange is made of yellow and red. Yellow, red, and blue means neutral. So basically, that's what you get. Now we have green and orange. Now let's start working with these other colors. Let's move to the next product. So basically, we have green, and orange. So green basically cancel orange, cancel red. So whatever we have out here, we have yellow. So we end up with yellow, and we have one more green. So basically, we add it right here. Yellow green. So yellow greens means ash. Yellow means light, green means ash. So basically, at the end of the color you're gonna be getting on a level 10 or level 9 will be an ash green tone. So this is the chemistry behind color. I broke down the colors for you, so hopefully you can understand this, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. So let's just check what we did previously. So basically, high lift 12.1 equals a 1/3 red, blue, and yellow plus blue, green. Level 9, the undertones, or level 9, we're talking about yellow, and red. So we add the red, blue, and yellow, the 1/3 that we have from the high lift. So basically, whatever we end up with was orange, green, and orange. Then we add the blue, greens, the additives from the color. So basically, we added right here blue, green. So red, blue, and yellow mix neutral, and then we work with the green. So basically, this green we added to the reds, so we end up with yellow, and this was canceled already. So basically, we end up with green. So we added green right here. So basically, the end of the formulation that we got was neutral equals yellow green, which means it's an ash green tone on the level 9 or 10. Well, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. My name is Jose Reyes, and hopefully I can teach you a little more about chemistry behind color. Bye.